In this video, I will show you how to add payment methods in the footer of Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section from the left-hand dashboard menu. Click on Themes to manage your store's theme settings. Look for the three dots menu option associated with your current theme and select Edit Code from the dropdown. In the code editor, locate the section responsible for displaying the footer of your website. You can do this by searching for footer within the code files. Once you have located the footer section, click on the file named footer.liquid to access its code. In the footer.liquid file, use the search function to find the code responsible for displaying payment method icons. Look for a line of code related to enabling payment types. Once you have located the payment icon code, replace it with the new code snippet provided. This snippet should include HTML code for displaying payment icons such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and PayPal. After replacing the code, make sure to save the changes you have made to the footer liquid file. To ensure that the payment method icons have been added successfully, click on the Save button and then preview your store if the icons appear in the footer section. Finally, visit your Shopify store's front end to confirm that the payment method icons are now visible in the footer section. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.